On the 22nd of July, protesters at Syros physically prevented passengers from the Israeli cruise ship Crown Iris from disembarking. Around 150 people took part in that, and the ship ended up leaving without making a proper call. And the photographs of that event again circulated globally. For the first time, Israeli tourism met direct resistance at a European port. And what had been framed as solidarity with Gaza was now a national argument about what exactly Greece stood for. The state had assumed that protests about Palestine would stay rhetorical, be confined to the students and the activists. But the dockers changed that. Their labour gave the issue massive leverage. Once ordinary workers began obstructing trade and tourism, Israel's war stopped being an external topic. It became part of Greek domestic life, one that exposed how deeply foreign policy and economic dependency can intertwine. The state's public silence was an admission that it understood the risk. If dockers could refuse one ship, they could refuse others. Well, the silence didn't pay off for them. In early August, reports confirmed further blockades at Piraeus targeting shipments believed to be Israeli-bound, and demonstrations spread to the likes of Thessaloniki or Mytilene or Zakynthos and Chania. Each was documented with local coverage and photographic evidence. "Not in our land, not in our name" appeared on banners amongst other slogans. The protests coincided with the summer tourist season, directly hitting one of Greece's most valued economic sectors. But by this month, the confrontation had widened big time. On the 1st of October, a nationwide strike shut down transport, schools and hospitals. And the cause was domestic this time, the government's plan to lengthen working hours in the private sector. The proposed law allowed up to 13 hours of work a day. 2 weeks later, on the 14th of October, another nationwide strike repeated the shutdown. But 2 days later, Parliament passed the law regardless.